Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you Instagram settings to turn off right away. So if you're a private person and you don't want too much interaction with other people, so I'm going to show you a few things here you need to turn off if you want a private account or if you want a private life. So first you have to go to settings and activity, and this time we will focus on the section of how others can interact with you. First, if you want to make your account private, you just have to turn on this or toggle this one on. For messages and stories replies, so if you want to have a full control with who can message you or who can reply to your story, then you have to click this one. You have this message controls. All you have to do is to adjust here, for example, who can message request you. Then you can also tap this don't receive any request from other people. You can tap this one. If you don't want to receive any requests from other people, then you can tap this only people you follow in Instagram. So basically, that's the first. Now let's move on to story replies. So you can tap this allow story replies only from people you know or don't allow story replies. And show activity status, you can turn this one off if you don't want anyone to know if you are available or if you're online here in Instagram. Now we have the show read receipts. You can turn this one off. This means others can see when you read their messages. You can turn off if you don't want. Security alerts for a more secured account. You can create keys and passwords and authentication here. For tag and mentions, you can tap this or you can turn off this one and tap this allow tags from people or don't allow tags. Okay, if you don't want. Review tags. If you want to see first, tag pictures and videos before you allow it to be seen or to be visible in your account. So that's it. So done with tags. Now move on. Let's go to mentions. If you don't want other people to mention you, you can turn off this one by tapping this. Don't allow mentions. So same goes with the other options right here. For comments, if you don't want everyone to comment, then you can turn this one off by tapping these people you follow or your followers only. Okay, so restricted, you can restrict someone. Sharing and remixes, you can turn this one off if you don't want to share or remix your posts to other people. You can turn off this, do the toggle this one on. You can also tap this limit interaction if you want to limit interaction with other people, if you think that it's kind of bothering or annoying. So what I'm showing right now is turning off any possible connections to other people or to the people, especially if you don't know them. So this is how you turn off some settings, especially if you don't want people to add you or to have interaction with you. You want a private life, you want a private account, you don't want any more interactions with other people. So basically, this is how you turn off Instagram settings. I hope this video helped you. If you want us to create or if you want another topic for our tutorial, please do comment down below. Please do like and subscribe to our channel and see you again in our next video tutorials.